Good morning, everybody. This is your Forex, your Euro USD setups for today. And short and sweet, to be honest. We're flirting with this weekly level again. And you can see there's a weekly tail there. There's a lot of weekly structure in this zone. And you can go back on the charts multiple years, and you're going to see a lot of interaction around this level. So for me at the moment, I think you need to be very cognizant of the fact that you are at a potential weekly support level. So we need to break below the lows of this year so far, and then retest it before that gets validated. So for me, we've got above it. We've found support twice in this zone. Probably a chance of a third attempt at support, which is going to be here. So anyway, I don't anticipate a short setup. I don't want to get involved in a short setup, not when we're at a massive zone of support like this. And you can see when you drill down to 3 hours, you've got 3 weeks in a row where we've come to test this level. Inside bar, golfing bar off the level, fairly decent structure here. And start drilling down through the time frames, you start seeing yesterday's price action, which was just chaotic across the board. Continue down onto structure, trying to drive it past, and then this morning already you've got a big engulfing bar that takes out a lot of that chaos there. So we are in a bearish setup, but because of the fact that we've got this massive zone of weekly support below us, I have no interest in being short. Doesn't matter what happens. I also currently have no interest in being long. So at the moment, if you look at the 15-minute, we've got this area of potential resistance, 106,907, and we flirted with it quite a bit yesterday, and now it looks like we're breaking through it, but I'll take that with a big pinch of salt. So we're going to have to get above this 106,907, come back and find support here before I even start looking at a long setup to sort of a top of I won't say top of the bigger range, but it'll probably form a range somewhere along the line. So until that happens, I am sitting back here and just waiting for better days. I don't anticipate a short brewing at the moment. Just this area, or this zone of support, is just way too strong to anticipate a move below it or a break below it, and there's no catalyst that is brewing that could drive that. So I'm really just sitting quietly. I don't think it's worth trying to chase this right now. Get above 106,907, decent move above, come back and test it, then I would start looking at the opportunities to look for my longs. But I don't like what I see. That's pretty much what it boils down to. And I hate losing money. So anyway, this just looks like a setup to lose money because it's a 50-50 call of whether it's going to reject this area or it's going to break through and find support. And this bottom area, I mean, you could have a quick squirt below it, but then a quick recovery as well. There's so many things that could happen at the moment. There's no clear direction. So we are sitting on the sides and continuing to sit on the sides. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you in the morning. Cheers for now.